Alright, so as you can see, garage is really quite a mess. So the next step that we're really going to have to take before we can move along with the project is to get the Cabriolet set on the side where my GTI is and get this place organized so we have a good workspace, because even what I've done right now so far with this build, just getting the engine and trans separated off the pallet it was on and onto the stand, has been just kind of a little bit of a fight with the room. So that's what we're getting into today. Alright, so this is the GTI. Gotta get it moved. So we finished moving our cars around, getting the garage a little bit more organized. Definitely a lot more organized than it was, a lot more space, got rid of some stuff. Still have a lot to get rid of, but here we are. As I continue on, you'll see that I should be getting rid of more stuff, unless I keep coming across free stuff like this Delta drill press I got, this engine hoist and engine stand. Bargains you can't pass up. Alright, so continuing on with garage cleanup, that project, as well as this guy I'm trying to get going, really. Went ahead and got some shop lighting. I got a few more to put up. This is just the one that sits over my toolbox. Also picked up for the garage shop, whatever you want to call it, this awesome vise, real heavy duty vise. Paid 80 bucks for that thing, which I feel like that's a pretty good deal for as heavy duty as that is.